can learn a little bit about myself too, my military history. But I mean, it's a guide to home repair grant. Did you know you can get your home repair? Did you know ways to pay for new HVAC system? Did you know there's a grant for there's a grant sheet in this book that's come with this book too, and there's finding comfort for the golden years, HVAC assistance for seniors. Did you know that's available through veterans? Yes, it is. Special adopted housing. There's availability. Special home adoption. Okay. Gateway PVA generator grant. Did y'all know about that? Get this book. $30 is going to be it got the website information, and if the website gets old down the years, then guess what? You can Google it because the title's not going to change. So there you go, guys. From an Army soldier to an airman, I just wanted to give back to my friends, my brothers and sisters, and let you know what's available to you. I wanted to put my red hat on, but it's kind of messed up. But anyway, guys, get your book. Yes, and you can see here, I serve in both branches. There's my Air Force rank right there. There's my Army rank. That's my Army rank. When I got out, there's my Army rank. Got redirect commission to chaplain in the end. Whoo! Been there, done that. Things don't always happen as planned, as we all know, but you persevere and you move forward, and you don't let nobody get in your way. Guys, go ahead and get your stuff taken care of now before October gets here. And like I said, Uncle Sam not playing around. Get yourself qualified, eligible now for these benefits before they get cut off. Okay? And even when they get cut off, you're still eligible. It's just when they get it back on running, then they can back pay you. But if the budget doesn't get improved or the economy doesn't improve, I don't know what to tell you. But at least get yourself in place now. Start preparing now. Have extra water, extra food. Get that. You want to make sure you have at least 2 to 3 months, or at least 1 month at the minimum, 2 to 3 months of your rent or mortgage already set aside. If you don't, make sure you do. Start prepping up for it. Make sure your car payments is already set. Make sure your credit card is paid off or paid down in case you need it as a backup. Okay? Start thinking of things economically and financially. Okay? I'm not a financial advisor, but common sense. Let's use some common sense, ladies and gentlemen, and let's win. Let's let our suffering be lesser than it would be if we don't take action. Okay? Faith. God gave us the power of faith, and it's up to us to do the rest. All right? Faith without work is dead. You know, your man don't take care of his own. He's worse than an infidel. That is scripture. You got to be willing to take care of your own, whether it be you by yourself or your family. Veterans, you got to take care of yourself and your family. Don't drop the ball and what the VA walk past October 1st and you're not ready. Get ready, okay? Get ready. Get these books. Like I said, you can get it for free if you got a Kindle Unlimited. If you got Kindle Unlimited, this book is free because that's a subscription. If you don't have Kindle Unlimited, okay, then it's $9 on Kindle by itself. But if you want a hard copy, it's $15 because it's worth $1 million. And this one right here is $30. It's worth $2 million. And you'll find out why if you use it. Because I used it all. And nobody told me anything. I had to learn on my own. Edwin Blake, what's up, classmate? How are you, bro? You served too, did you? Well, I hope to hear from you soon. God bless you. Looking forward to the class reunion. But anyway, guys, I think I covered enough. If you need additional information, just watch the playback. I'll post some of that stuff on the comments after I log off from the video. But get this book. I mean, go to Veterans Disability Benefits.net to find, or Google through Amazon to get your copy. It's by Antonio Arnold. You can't go wrong. You can Google my name, you'll find me everywhere. But I'm here to tell you guys, VA, there is a shortfall that can impact you and your family. And I mean even your spouse. Because you got education, you're trying to go to school, trying to go to college, to use your BAH, there's going to be a shortfall on that. You may not have enough. You may have a shortfall on your wife of medical care, her care, because my wife has Champ VA. That's affected too. Champ VA is impacted too as well. Okay, and there's also what's the other one for that pays for your wife to go to school? There's a benefit for that too, and that could be impacted as well. And I'm sorry, this is what it is. Does anybody have any questions for this airman soldier? Anybody got any questions? Anybody got any questions? Comments. I love to interact with you. I appreciate you, my sister Carolyn Johnson, who's been she's been a faithful warrior, and I'm telling you, she's been a very big supporter of this ministry that I'm doing to help many veterans get what they need and their spouses and families. And all I ask you just support. Get your book, because that book is worth millions. It's going to be worth millions to you. It can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to you. I know, because I experienced it. I know what I'm talking about. But get that book. Anyway, since we have no questions, all clear on the left, all satisfied on the left. Left is ready, all satisfied on the right. Right is ready. The fire line is down, prepared to close. Anyway, guys, this is Reverend Dr. Antonio Arnold, Army Air Force veteran, Air National Guard, Army Reserve as well. I'm going to sign off. Y'all have a good day. I hope this message helps you. Airborne out.